Today I'm going to make banana cupcake and this chocolate brownie batter. So magbe-bake naman tayo ngayon, guys. So guys, hindi na ako nagpaparatakad-takad. Ano na lang, estimate ba? So sugar, flour, egg. Kung anong lasa nito, guys, ewan ko. Char. Then, lalagyan natin ng vanilla flavor. Ay, nako guys, hindi naman talaga ako magaling magluto or what. Trying hard lang. Then, this one is cinnamon. Sana masarap. Ayan. Kung yung ginagamit to blend, to stir it, kaya ilalagay ko na lang siya dito sa blender. Bahala na ang blender nito mag-blend. Mukhang masarap ang amoy. Gusto ko na lang pagsabay-sabayin to lahat. Blend na. This is the banana, guys. Sayang kasi yung banana, parang masisira na. Kaya, ayan. Ayan. Gusto kong dagdagan pa ng vanilla. Ay! Ang dami! Okay. Ngayon, i-stir na natin siya. Stir. So, i-preheat na muna natin, guys. Pag mainit na, ilalagay na natin siya dyan, guys. So, last time, I bought cupcake paper. This one. Ay, parang may kulang pala ako, guys. Hindi ko nilagyan ng butter. Anyway, talagyan ko na lang. Guys, we have to put butter. So, i-melt ko muna ito bago ko ilagay dun. So guys, nalagyan ko na ng butter. Ang gagawin natin next, nalagyan natin ng rice dito sa ilalim. Para hindi masyadong tumikit yung ating cupcake paper. Tapos, ilalagay na natin to dito. First time ko lang tong gawin, guys. This is my first time to do this. So, ayan na, guys. So, ilagay na natin yung blend natin. Mukhang na puree. Okay lang. Ako lang naman ang kakain nito. Guys, tingnan nyo. Oh! Ano kaya ang lasa ng banana cake na to? Ayan. So, hindi ko guys uubusin kasi gusto kong itry ito. This one guys, ready na siya. Ipo-pour ko na lang siya and then i-bake. I don't know how it tastes. Wala na ako sa kanyang i-add. But this is chocolate brownies. Ooh. What's that, honey? Yeah. This is chocolate brownie and banana cupcakes.
Oh, okay, baby. What is he doing?
He's laying on his car seat.
Is he fussing?
Not really that much.
Well, if you need me to get him, you can bring him in here.
It's okay, honey.
Man,
Okay.
I got a lot of sleep.
That's good. Look guys, this is how it looks. So, ilalagay ko na siya dun sa ating oven. Okay. And guys, mainit na. So, ayun guys, you just have to wait. It's now baking. Mukhang hindi pa. Oh! Luto na kaya to? It looks really nice. Mainit pa guys. Parang nasobrahan ko na ng luto oh. Ang init. It's delicious, guys. Going to eat this hot, or you want me to put it in the fridge first? Let it sit. Delicious. It's delicious, guys. Yummy. Dapat pala pinuno ko, hindi ko kasi pinuno. It's yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Love it. I am not expecting this is gonna be this good. So delicious. Mainit pa kasi guys. See? I eat banana cake.
You made a banana cake?
Banana cupcake. It's not so sweet.
You made this?
Yes.
Yummy.
It's delicious. It's not so sweet. Right?
But it's yummy.
Yeah, it's delicious. You can't believe it.
Man, I'm impressed.
Wow.